Good evening, all of you. Let us start the discussion of CSAT paper 2 UPSC. Aptitude question starts from question number 5. So let us discuss question number 5 first. What is the maximum value of n such that this number multiplication with this divisible by 35 to the power n? So number is divisible by 35 to the power n. That means this number must be a factor of 35. So 35 is product of 5 and 7. 5 into 7. So how many 5s and how many 7s just collect? So here 7 to the power 1. It is 7 to the power 3. It is after 7. 5 factor is coming. After cancellation of 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35 and 5 7 35. That means 77 is coming, again another 7 will come. Only collect 5 and 7. And here 5 is there. 5 to the power 10 to the power 3. So that means 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. That means 5 to the power 3. And here 7 3s are 21. 343. So that means 7 to the power 4. 7 to the power 4 into 7 to the power. So this will be 1. Maybe 7 more is there because 5 is very less. So since 5 is very less, so take only 5. So 5 power is 3 plus 1, that is 4. That can be written as 7 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 and 7 greater than 4. So that is equal to 35 to the power 4. So that means maximum power of 35 is available is 4. That's option is B. Next question. Question number 6. What is the x in the sequence 24, x, 12, 18, 36, 90? So number series, I can say 24. P and Q walk along a circular track. They start at 5 am from the same point in opposite directions. P walks at an average speed of 5 rounds per hour. This is the speed. And Q walks an average speed of 3 rounds per hour. It is also second person speed. So question is, how many times will they cross each other between 5:20 am to 7 am? So gap is how much from 5:20 to 7 am? That is equal to 100 minutes. That means in 100 minutes, how many times they will, that is, cross each other. So first find the speed of the persons, that is P. Let circular distance, length is 1 unit. And speed of P, that is equal to 5 rounds. P walks an average speed of 5 rounds per hour. That means 1 unit distance, it will cover by 1 by 5 units per hour. That is units per hour. This is the speed of the person P. Similarly, speed of person Q. And Q moves speed of 3 rounds per hour. So 1 by 3, that is units per hour. And both are moving in direction opposites. So they start and point opposite direction. That means relative speed will be addition of their speeds. So time to meet or cross, you can say the cross, that is equal to distance is 1 unit by relative speed, that is, make it 1 by 5 by 1, and speed of Q, you can write down that is 3:1. So time to meet in one complete rotation, so that will be 1 by 5 plus 3, that becomes 8 hour, make it minute into 60. So 60 by 8 minute. So question is, in 5:20 am to 7 am, in 100 minutes, so how many that time they will cross each other? So number of times will be, in 100 minute, how many 60 by 8 minute is there? 100 by 60 by 8. So that becomes 2 3s are 2 5s are 40 by 3, so approximately 13 point something. That means 13 complete meet will be there or cross will be there. So option is second option, that is B. So number 9 says a train overtakes two persons X and Y walking at an average speed of 3 km per hour and 4 km per hour in the same direction and completely passes them in 8 seconds and 9 seconds respectively. So we are knowing speed is inversely varies to time. When they meet, distance is constant. So relative speed is inversely varies to time. So relative speed will be, if train speed is S, then S minus first person speed is 3 km per hour, second person speed is S minus 4 km per hour, inversely proportional to time. Second person's time is 8 seconds, first time is 4 seconds. 8 seconds, second person 9 seconds. So 9 by 4. So after cross multiplication, 4S minus 12, that become 9S minus 36. Eight seconds. This is 8 seconds. 9 by 8. So 8S minus 24. 8S minus 24. So 8S, and this will be 9S minus 36. 9S minus 36. So 8S minus 24. After taking minus S, S would be 36 minus 24, that is 12. And 12 is kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the train. So question is, what is the length of the train? So distance, length is speed into time. So relative speed into time. So that is equal to, so first person, take the first person's relative speed. So first person's speed is S minus 3. So 12 minus 3 into 5 by 18 by into time taken is first person's 8. So this will be 9 into 5 by 18 into 8. 9 2s are 2 4s are. So that answer is coming 20 meter is the answer. That's the option is C. If n square is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, then how many digits does the number have? So it is that is one special type of numbers. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if in this pattern write 11 square, so that becomes 121, and 1 1 1 square, that becomes 1 2 3 2 1. So this is the pattern same. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, again repetition 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. If it is 11 square, it is 121. If it is 111 square, it is 1 2 3 2 1. That means if it is 3 number, so this will be 3 plus 1 by 2. That means 2 numbers. If it is 5 number, so 5 plus 1 by 2, then square number would be 3 numbers. So this will be 9 plus 8 17. So 17 plus 1 by 2. So 9 digit number. That's the option is B. Consider the first 100 natural numbers. How many of them are not divisible by any 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9? So this is a calculative questions. So one by one you have to calculate, then you can find these numbers how many divisible first. First how many divisible, then you can find not divisible. So like this. So I am giving a that is small calculation of this. So rest you can do it. So question like this. Divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So first find out how many numbers divisible by 2. So like this, 1 1 find out. So that means 100 by 2, and that is equal to 50. Similarly find out divisible by 3. 100 by 3, 33. Divisible by 5, 100 by 5, that is 20. Like this up to 9 find out similarly. 100 by 9, that is 11. This is 1 1 numbers. Similarly find out 2 2 numbers divisible by 2 and 3, 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 7 and 9, 2 and 9. So like this. 2 2 numbers divisible by, well 1 1 I am doing divisible by 2 and 3, that is 6. So 100 by 6, that become 24. Similarly divisible by any 2, last up to 7, 9 you can go up to. Then third step is divisible by all the 3, 2, 3 and 5. 3, 2, 3 and 5, that is 100 by 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. That is equal to 3. So like this, all the 3. And fourth step, divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7. 100 by 3 2s are 5, 25, 175. No number is there, 0. And like this, another 2 number, 2, 3, 5, 7. Similarly, 3, 5, 7, 9. Similarly, 2, 5, 7, 9, you can do it. And last, divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. No number, 0. So by taking all considerations, so you have to do like this, not divisible. First find out total divisible. Total divisible is equal to divisible by 3 minus divisible by 2 numbers plus divisible by 3 numbers minus, make it alter sign, divisible by 4 numbers plus divisible by 5 numbers. So like this, last number I am giving, question number 15. From the last part we can see, so few persons already we discussed regarding 15s. Consider the first 100 natural numbers, how many of them are not divisible by any one of them, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Again I am doing, so 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9 divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. First find out divisible by 2. So that is 100 by 2. That is 50 numbers. Divisible by 3. 100 by 3. That is equal to 33 numbers. So like this. First find individual numbers up to 9. Then find two numbers. Divisible by 2 and 3. That is 6. 100 by 6. So this. Similarly, divisible by 3 and 5. That is 15. 100 by 15. 6. So like this. Similarly, find out divisible by 3 numbers. Divisible by 2, 3, 5. That is LCM. So 100 by 5, 3, 15, 15 to the 30. That means 3. So like this, take 3 numbers. Similarly, divisible by 4 numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7. 100 by 3 to 7, 5 are 35, 70, 17 to 3, 210. There is no numbers, 0. Similarly, 5, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5, 3, 7, 9. So like this. Then last, find divisible by all 5. Divisible by all 5, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. No number, again 0. So, divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So that is equal to first divisible of all the, that is 1 numbers, that is 50 plus 33. So divisible by 1 minus divisible by 2 numbers plus divisible by 3 numbers minus divisible by 4 numbers plus divisible by 5 numbers. So by adding all, so last number I am doing, divisible by 1 number like this 50, 33 are all this, that become 128. So write down your 128 minus divisible by 2 numbers add all this, so that becomes 64. So minus 64 plus divisible by 3 numbers add all this, so that become 15 plus minus divisible by 4 numbers only 1 and 5 by 0. So that answer is coming 78. If it is divisible, then not divisible will be remaining numbers. So not divisible, that is equal to 100 minus 78, and that become 22. So this is the answer. The option is C. Next question. If 4 is less than equal to x less than equal to 8 and 2 is less than equal to y less than equal to 7, then what is the ratio of maximum value of x plus y to minimum value x minus y? The maximum value of x plus y that is equal to maximum value of x plus maximum value of y. So maximum value is 8 and maximum value is y 7. So 8 plus 7, that become 15. And minimum value of y, x plus y, so that is equal to x minus y. X minus y, so that becomes x minimum value of x, maximum value of y. So minimum value of x is 4, maximum value of y is 7, minus 7, so that becomes minus 3. So ratio become minus 5. The answer is not there. The option is D. Next question, number 17. Let both p and k be the prime numbers such that p square plus k is also a prime number less than 30. P square plus k value is less than 30. The question is, what is the number of possible values of k? And p and k both are prime numbers. So consider, suppose p the square is given, that means p will be lesser number. So take p equal to 2. You can take p equal to 3. So first take p equal to 2. That becomes 4 plus k should be less than 30. So k value must be 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 5, not possible. 4 plus 7, it is possible. 4 plus 11, not possible. 4 plus 13, 17 also possible. 4 plus 17, not possible. And for 19, yes, 19 possible. And 23, not possible because it's not a prime number. So that is 4 options are there for k possibility. Similarly, if p equal to 3 also prime number. So 3 square 9. 9 plus k should be less than 30. So what the possibility? So 9 plus 2, that is 11. 9 plus 3 not possible. 9 plus 7, 7 is there. 9 plus 13 not possible. Other not possible, only one number. And p equal to 5. So 5 square 25. 25 plus k should be less than 30. There is no numbers. That's why only 4 numbers possibilities there. 4 plus 1, 5. That's the option is B. 17 is option B, right? Next question, 18. There are n sets of numbers, each having only 3 positive integers with LCM equal to 1001, HCF equal to 1. What is the value of n? That means how many sets of numbers having only 3 positive integers? So LCM is 1001. 1001 is a factor of right. So first find 1001. 1001 is a factor of, that is 11, 7, 13. So 3 set numbers, n set of numbers is having only 3 positive integers. So what the possibilities there? So that HCF is 1, that means no common factor between them. These are the prime numbers. So you can say first pair is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is one of the pairs. 1, 7, 143. So like this you can search the pairs. 1, 11, 91. So there are no common between them. 1, 13, 77. Similarly 1, you can take two numbers, 77, 13, 1, 91, 11, 1, That is gone. (143) and 7. N set of numbers each having only 3 positive integers. LCM equal to 1001. HCF is 1. What is the value of n? So these are the possibilities, but it is common is there. It is same. So you can cancel it. 1, 143, 7 is common is there. So other pairs 7, 11, 13. This is also possibility there. In other possibilities coming. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is coming 6. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात 7 is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So this is the answer, option B. Next question. Let PQR be 3-digit numbers, PPT be a 3-digit number, and PS be a 2-digit number, where PQ, RST are distinct non-zero digits. PQR minus PS equal to PPT and Q equal to 3, T less than 6. So this is analytical questions, and let us put the place values of this. So it is a 3-digit number. So question is PQR minus PS equal to PPT. You put the place values of this. Let us write place values. PQR means a 3-digit number. So 100P plus 10Q plus R minus 10P minus S, that is equal to 110P plus T. So after simplification of this, 100P plus 10P, that becomes 90P, and both the side 100P minus 10P, 90P, and this 20P. So 20P plus 20P plus T. So that is equal to 10Q plus R minus S, and Q is given 3. This is 3. That becomes 30. So I can say R minus S, that is equal to 20P minus 30 plus T. And again question is given T is less than 6. So if T will be 5, then this will be 20P, and this is 5 minus 30 plus 5, you can say minus 25. If 20P minus 25, so if P is 1, I can make it reverse, S minus R, so that becomes 25 minus 20P. If P is 1, so difference is 5. If difference is 5, it is case 1. So numbers may be 9 minus 4, 8 minus 3, 7 minus 2, 6 minus 1. Right. So possibilities 4 are coming. If P is 2, second case, if P is 2, S minus R, that is equal to 25 minus 20P, and P is 2, then 25 minus 40. T is, T takes 6, second case T takes 6, T takes 6, if T will be 6, if T will be not 6, you can say T equal to less than 6, take it to 4, T to 4, then minus 30 plus 4 minus 26, so this will be 26 minus 20P. Again if P will be 1, so 26 minus 20, that becomes 6, again possibilities are more. So S minus R, you can say 9 minus 3. If it is distinct, it is not possible. 8 minus 2, possibility is there. 7 minus 1, also possibility is there. That means more possibilities are there. Options given 2, 3, 4 and more than 4. So obviously more than 4 is coming. That's the answer is coming D. Again, if it will be 3, again possibility some more is coming. That's why right answer is option D, that is more than 4. Next question. The petrol price shoot up by 10% as a result of the hike in crude oil prices. The prices of petrol becomes, before the hike was rupees 90 per litre. A person travels 2200 km every month and his car gives a mileage of 16 km per litre. And these data are unnecessary. It is not required for these questions. Only thing required, if petrol price is shoot up by 10%, then to maintain the same expenditure, so should be reverse. So if expenditure is constant, so price is inversely varies to consumption. So price increases, it is the 10 now become 11, now consumption would be 11 is to 10, so reduction is coming 1 out of 11. Now question is, person travels 22 kilometers, so how much kilometer travel? So now less by 2200 into 1 by 11, that is 200 kilometer. So answer would be 2200 minus 200, and that become 2000 kilometer. But question is, how much reduction is there? So 200 kilometer reduction, that's why option is second option B. Next question Diva. A digit 4-digit number B such that when divided by 3, 5, 6, 9 leaves a remainder 1. So a number when divided by 3, 5, 6, 9 leaves remainder 1, 3, 4 and 7. So see the difference between these two. 3 minus 1 difference is 2. 5 minus 3 difference 2. Every difference is 2. That's why this number would be LCM of the numbers 3, 5, 6, 9, K minus the constant difference, and that is equal to LCM is 90, 90K minus 2, and this should be 4-digit numbers, option this. That means if add these two, divisible by 9, so that means option C. If this is 1078, so this will be 90K would be 1080, so K value should be divisible by 90. That means the option is C. Otherwise you can find the K. Normally you can find the K by dividing it, otherwise you go from options. So after addition of 2 should be divisible by 90. The option is coming C. Next question. What is the unit digit of the multiplication of 1, 3, 5, although that is odd numbers? So whenever 1, 3 into 5 is 15, 5 into 7 is 35, unit digit 5, 35 into 9 also unit digit 5, that means unit digit will come always 5. When multiplied with 5, the unit digit always is 5, not the even number, all odd numbers. So option is C. Next number 35. A natural numbers n such that it can be expressed as n equal to p plus q plus r, where p, q, r are distinct factors of n. How many numbers below 50 this property satisfied? So it is a perfect number. That means it is a perfect number, such that it can be expressed as n p plus q plus r, where p, q, r are the distinct factors. So first distinct factors, or you can say first perfect number is 6. So 6 is addition of 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor. So sum of the factors equal to the numbers 6. Similarly, how many pairs are possible? At the interval of 6, 6 it will go. Next is 12. So sum of factors 1 plus, you can say that is, except 12 you can take this 6, not 6, you can take that is, for the factors this is 12, you can say it is 1, 2, 6, 3 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, that is 6 2s are and 4 3s are 6. Escape. 12. If these are the factors, by addition of these numbers become 12. Number would be 6 plus 4 plus 2, right? 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4. Similarly, next number addition of 6, 18. So what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So number would be 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 3 plus 6 plus 9. So like this. So 6, 12, 18. Next is another interval of 6, 24. So like this you can write down. 24 is factors are 24. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. So addition of this 24 become 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 4. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 4. Distinct factors again, and below 50 you can write like this. Similarly 18, 24, similarly 30 also there, 36 also there, 42 also there, 48 also there. So like this possible pairs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's option is coming C. Next number. Three prime numbers p, q, r each less than 20 are such that p minus q equal to q minus r. So how many distinct possible values can we get from p plus q plus r? P minus q equal to q minus r, and each p, q, r is less than 20, right? So that means if p minus q equal to q minus r, question is p minus q that is equal to q minus r. So I can say p plus r that become 2q. If p plus r equal to 2q, so what are the possible values of this? So I can say 2 plus 2 that become 2 into 2. It is one of the pair possible. Similarly 5 with 3 I'll take 3 plus 5 plus 7, addition of two integers less than 20 is given. So 5 plus 7 that is equal to 12, 2 into 6 I can write down. 7 plus 2 into 6, 2 into 7, 14, not possible. 2 into 8, 16, not possible. 2 into, that is 9, 18, 11 possible, right? 2 into 9, it is also possible. Similarly, question is 3 prime numbers. How these prime numbers is not possible. Second pair not possible. No. But it is possible. 7 plus 11, it is not prime number. So other possibilities you can check this by this. I can say 3 plus 7, 2 into 5. Also possibilities there. 5 plus 11 not possible, 16 not possible, 17 take this, 17 5 22. Yes, it is possible. 2 into 11 possibilities there. And another pair is possibilities there. 7 plus prime number 19. 2 into 13. Right. So first pair, second, third, fourth. 4 pairs are possible. That's the option is first option. How many possible values of P plus Q plus R are there satisfying 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R equal to 1? How many distinct possible the values can we get P plus Q plus R? That is equal to 1. Question is, it is 1. So if it is 1, 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R. If it is 1, it is given. So distinct possible values can we get? So first case, if we will take P equal to 3, also possibility is there, because 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 it is 1, or maybe 2 possibilities there. If it is 3 possibilities there or P equal to 2, only these 2 possibilities there. If it is 1 by 2, first case it is P equal to 2, then 1 by Q plus 1 by R must be 1 by 2. So possible value is coming 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, maybe half, also half, and 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, also half. Right? Other not possible. These 2 possibilities there when P equal to 2. Next is P equal to 3. Then possibility is there. If 1 by 3 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 also possibility is there. But different is given. 37. Non 1. Options are given wrong, I think, in this case. Option is given. Question number 37. Non 1, 3, more than 3. These options are wrong. It's given. Non 1, 3, it is more than 3, greater than 3. So if how many possible values of P plus Q plus R satisfy this distinct possible values, some will be distinct, but in this case P equal to 3, the answer will be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. These also possibilities there. It is also coming 1. So for P equal to 2, again 2 possibilities, and for P equal to 3, 1 possibilities. That means some value different, because in first case, in this case, P plus Q plus R that become 2 plus 4, that become 8. Second case 2 plus 3 plus 6, 12, and third case 3 plus 3 plus 3, all distinct values 9, 8, 12. That's why 3 possible values are there. That's the option is third option C. Next question. Team X scored a total of n runs in 20 overs. X scored n runs in 20 overs. Team Y tied the score 105 in less overs, not 105. Question is wrong. Question number 39. It is 10% less. 10% less overs. That means Y also tied means it becomes same run. Scored n runs in 20 overs less than 10. That means it is minus 2, 18 overs. Had team Y's average run rate been 50% higher. So what is team Y's average run rate? Run rate means given runs per over. So run rate of Y. So that becomes n by 18 runs per over. If it is 50% higher, means 3 by 2. That means run rate would be n by 12. N by 12. Then the score should have been tied in 12 overs. So obviously, this is 12 overs and scoring is 9. That means this statement is same as this statement. So that means this is one statement, this is two statement. So how many runs were scored by team X? So no relation is coming to find the n. If this would be different statement, then you can compare. But no different. Statement Y, it is same as the second statement. So from two variables, two equations, one equation is given, two equations are not given. Not to possible find out. The option is D. Next question. 40. The price P of a commodity is first increased by K%, then decreased by K%, again increase K%, again decrease K%. If the new price of Q is then, new price is Q. Then question is what is the relation between P and Q? If initially price was P, now a number increases by K%, the answer is coming 100 plus K by 100. Again decreases by K 100 minus K by 100. Again increases by K 100 plus K by 100. And decreases by K 100 minus K by 100. And that is given Q. So after multiplication of this P into this, A square minus B square. So 100 square minus K square by into again 100 square minus K square, and below it is 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is equal to Q. So I can write down P into this will be 10 to the power 4th. 10 to the power 4th minus K square whole square. So that becomes Q into 10 to the power 8. So this is the right answer. Relation between this 10 to the power 4 into K square whole square, that is Q into right, option A. First option is answer. Next, 44. A question is given followed by two statements 1 and 2, and given questions P plus Q square minus 4PQ. Question again wrong is given. 44. P plus Q square minus 4PQ, right? P plus Q square this is. P plus Q square minus 4Q, where PQ are the natural numbers. So statement 1, P less than Q and P greater than Q. That's why 44 question says if this is natural numbers, P and Q natural numbers, we will expand this P plus Q whole square minus 4PQ. So that become P square plus Q square plus 2PQ minus 4PQ. And that value is given P square plus Q square minus 2PQ, and that is equal to p minus q whole square. So it is a perfect square number. If it is a perfect square number, statement 1, given it is positive or not, if p is less than q, also positive number. If p is greater than q, also positive number. That means no need of statements, so always become a positive number. That's why option is, the questions can be answered by using one of the statements. Options are more, so options is given. Right answer is option D. The question can be answered even without using any statements. Option D is the right answer for this question. So maybe options are there from second page. See the second page what is given. Not there. But right answer is given. Option D. The question can be answered even without using any statements. So option D for this 44. Next question 45. In a T20 cricket match, 3 players X, Y and Z scored a total of 37 runs. The ratio of number of runs scored by X to Y, so X plus Y plus Z, total run is given 37 runs. The ratio of number of runs scored by X to the number of runs scored by Y, so X by Y, that is equal to ratio of number of runs scored by Y to Z, Y by Z. So that means Y square equal to XZ. So it is a, that is mean proportion is there. Y square equal to XZ. So what the possibility is coming? Value 1 run scored by X, value 2 run scored by Y, value 3 run scored by Z. Which one of the following statement is correct? Y square equal to X into Z. So it is a mean proportion. So you are knowing mean proportion means A is to B is to C. If mean proportion, so B is lies between A and C. So A is less than B, B is less than C. So this is the correct relation. So value 1 less than equal to value 2 less than value 2. Option A is the right answer. So option 45 is A. Need not to find the answer, but this is the right case. A should be less than B, less than C. Next question. Let P plus Q equal 10, where P, Q are the integers. Value 1, maximum value of P and Q when P, Q are positive integers. Value 2, maximum value of P into Q when which one of the following is correct. So value 1, it is given P plus Q equal to 10. If P plus Q equal to 10, then maximum value of P into Q where P and Q are positive integers. You can take many possibilities, 1 and 9, but multiplication will be 9. So maximum will be, this will be maximum, this is maximum. So that is 5 into 5, 25. It is only maximum. That's why this is the value 1. Only 1, not 2. This is value 1. So value 2 is telling that maximum value of P into Q when which one, again some line is missing here. Maximum value of P into Q when means what? 46. Printing wrong is there. 46. Maximum value of P into Q when P is greater than, your line is given, P is greater than equal to minus 6 and Q is greater than equal to minus 4. So maximum value of P into Q when P is greater than equal to minus 6, Q is greater than equal to minus 4. So option would be what? If it is minus 6 minus 4, the multiplication of P and Q will be positive. So 6 into 4 also that become, that is 24 is coming. Minus. So if 1 plus 1 minus that is equal negative, that will be minimum. So for maximum value of P and Q, so both must be negative or both must be positive. If both must be negative, the maximum value will give minus 6 into minus 4, that is equal to 20. But again, greater than equal to minus 6, greater than equal to minus 4 means again P plus Q must be 10, and this condition not satisfied, it is not the 10. That's why this possibility is not arises. And we can write down here, if it is minus 6, another one is positive. So positive means it will be plus 16. So that 10, this is 10, but minus 6 into 16, it is a negative number, it is not the maximum value. So for maximum value, again both must be positive, this will be 5, again this will be 5, again this is 35. So we can say This is the maximum value for satisfying sum is 10. So both the cases value 1 should be equal to value 2. That's why option is C. 46 option is C. Right. Next. Consider a set of 11 numbers. Value 1 is given minimum value of the average of the numbers of the set when they are consecutive integers greater than or equal to minus 5, and value 2 is given minimum value of the product of the numbers of the set when they are consecutive non-negative integers. Which one of the following is correct? First one is negative numbers, positive numbers is there, but it's non-negative integers. If it is value 1, answer can be what? Value 1. Minimum values of the average of the numbers of the set when they are consecutive integers greater than or equal to minus 5. So it will take minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 11 numbers. So average will be 0. But value 2, that is set of 11 numbers, so that when they are arranged consecutive in non-negative integers, which of the following is correct? So value 1 relation aniva. So it is value 1 less than value 2 or greater than value 2, or it is equal value 2. Again 11 numbers, even non-negative, so obviously average is greater than 0 if it is non-negative. So first case average 0, second case average greater than 0, so value 1 should be less than value 2. So option is value 1 less than value 2. Option is again A, 47. Next number. The average of 3 numbers PQR is K. Right. The average of 3 numbers PQR is K. So P plus Q plus R equal to 3K. P is as much more than the average as Q. P is as much more than the average as Q is less than the average. So P minus average, P minus 3K, K, P minus K, that is same as Q less than the average, K minus Q. So I can say P plus Q equal to 2K. So what is the value of R? So put here value 2K plus R, that become 3K. So R equal to K. That's why answer is coming first option A. Next question 49. Let X be real numbers between 0 and 1. So which of the following statement is are correct? The X square is greater than X cube and they are real numbers. Real numbers can be positive, can be negative. So first case, consider it. If X square is greater than X cube, first statement, that means X square minus X cube must be greater than 0. You will take X common, X square take common, so 1 minus X must be greater than 0. If X lies between 0 and 1, X value 0 to 1, so 1 minus X is positive. If 1 minus is positive, so X square into 1 minus X also positive. So first one is correct. Second one, statement 2. X is greater than root over of X. X is greater than root over X. And X is given a real number. If we will take X is 4 and root over of it is not greater than 1 by 2. 1 by 4 root over that is 1 by 2. That's why in this case it is false. Maybe right, maybe false. That's why first one is always right. So option is only 1 is right. Next number. The difference between any two natural numbers is 10. So what can be said about the natural numbers which are divisible by 5 and lie between those two numbers? So if it is said that is difference between any two natural numbers is 10, x minus y it is given 10. That means x is equal to 10 plus y. Then a number divisible by 5. Suppose I say 1 to 10. So two numbers divisible by 5, that is 5 and 10. If we will take that is 6 to, that is 6 or 10 numbers I will take 6 to 15. Also 10 numbers. So 2 number divisible, that is 5 and that is 15. 5 and that is not, it is 6 to, you can say it is 15 minus 6, 9 plus 1, 10. 5, 10, 15. Okay. 1 to 10, 5 and 10, 6. So how many numbers divisible by, that is 5 question is. What can be said about the natural numbers which are divisible by 5 and lie between these two numbers? Oh, it is not possible there. It is given 10 is given, difference 10. In between two numbers, any two numbers you can take, that is 10 is there. Suppose 2 to take, 2 to 11, that is also two numbers, 5 and 10. 3 to 12, also 5 to 10. 5 to 14, again two numbers, 5 and 10. 6 to 15, there is only one such numbers, there are only two such numbers, there can be more than one such numbers, no such numbers exists. If 6 to 15 I can take, there is also 10 numbers, x minus y equal to 10, 15 minus 6, no, 14. 16, right. 5 to 14. It is 15. 5, 10 and 15 all are coming. Whether it is right, condition satisfied. The difference between any two natural numbers is 10. So what can be said about the natural numbers which are divisible by 5 and lie between these two numbers? Or between these two numbers. This line was important. Between these two numbers means it is not counted. Last and first not counted. So 1 to 10, 2 and 11. So two numbers satisfy this is only because between these two numbers means last number is not counted. If last number not counted, 6 and 16. So one number not counted, so obviously this will be difference is coming 10 and two numbers, here will be 5 and here will be 10 also divisible and also 15 also divisible. There can be more than one such numbers, more also possibilities there. So there is only one such numbers, it is also possibilities there. There are only two such numbers, so most appropriate will be there is two such numbers. Because the last two, it is not as per question says what 50. The difference between any two natural numbers is 10. What can be said about the natural numbers which is divisible by 5 and lie between these two numbers? Okay, if we will prove this by numerically, also you can do it. Suppose we can say number is n and n plus 10, you can take this. Number is n and n plus 10. N and n plus 10. If n equal to 5k, so in between two numbers n, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, like this, n plus 4, n plus 5, n plus 6 and n plus 7, n plus 8, n plus 9 and n plus 10. So if n equal to 5k, so this will be divisible, n equal to 5k, this is divisible by 5. 5k plus 1 not divisible, this is not divisible, this is not divisible, this is not divisible. and n plus 5 divisible, 5k plus 5 divisible by 5. This is not divisible, this is not divisible, this is not divisible, this is divisible, this is divisible. That's why option is there can be more than one such numbers. No such number exists. Only one such number. 2 is coming and 3 also coming. So option B, there can be more than one such numbers. So C will be most appropriate, will be right. C. In my point of view, so C will be right because 3 numbers are coming. So 5n is coming. If we exclude this again question is given lie between these two numbers. That means if you will not count these two numbers first, and that is number in between these two, which are divisible by 5, lie between these two numbers. There are only 2 such numbers. 2 such numbers. If these 2 points are not counted, only one number divisible. But if these 2 numbers counted, again 3 numbers. Sometimes 2 numbers are coming, 5 and 10, and 5 and 10. 2 numbers are coming, so sometimes 3 numbers are coming. So there are only 2 such numbers. Most appropriate 2 such numbers. These are confusing statements. (50). There is only one such number. There are only 2 such numbers. Okay, you can take this option B is given. So let us take option B because 2 numbers is confirmed. 3 numbers sometimes is coming, but you can take 2 numbers. So best appropriate answer is coming B. Next. 54. So consider the following statements. There exist a natural numbers which when increased by 50% can have its number of factors unchanged. Okay. If we increase by 50%, then number of factors unchanged. Suppose number is n. Suppose n can be expressed in terms of 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b into suppose x also there, factors of x. Then number of factors would be a plus 1 into b plus 1 into x factors. If n is increased by 50%, so n into 3 by 2. So number of factors would be again 2 to the power a minus 1, this 2 become minus 1 into 3 to the power b into x factors. Another 3 is coming, b plus 1, x factors. Now question is giving factors are unchanged, so that exist or not. If this is equal to this, then so factors of this would be what? Factors would be a into b plus 2 into x factors, and this is equal to this a plus 1 into b plus 1 into x factors should be equal to a into b plus 2 into x factors. So this is cancelled. So ab plus a plus b plus 1, so that should be equal to ab plus 2a. So after cancellation, so a plus b plus 1 equal to 2a, or a equal to b plus 1. This is the question number 54. So if a is b plus 1 is coming, so what can it indicate? So that means if b is equal to 1, so a will be 2. If x equal take 1, so number would be what? 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 1, 12. So number exists. so that factors does not change. So first number is 12. So if it exists, that means option 1 is correct. Statement 2. Similarly, you can take this. There exist natural numbers which when increased by 150% can number of factors unchanged. Same ways you can take this. Also it is correct. That means both first and second correct. Just like first one, second one also correct similarly. So that is also number exists where factor is unchanged. The option is B. Option is C, right? Next question. What is the reminders when 9 to the power 3, 9 to the power 4, 9 to the power 5 up to 9 to the power 6 up to 9 to the 100 when it is divided by 6? If it is divided by 6, the reminders rule says take 9 common, 9 square plus 9 cube plus up to 9 to the power 99. When it is divided by 6, take common factor, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, and remember it is cancelled by 3. In last you can multiply by 3. Then solve 3 into 9 square plus 3 into 9 cube, like this, 3 into 9 to the power 99. When it is divided by 2, what is the remainder? Respective reminders. So this remainder will be 1. This will be also 1. So 1 plus 1 up to 99 times from starting from 2. From 2 to 99, that becomes 98. So 98 by 2, remainder is 0, and 0 into 3, also remainder is 0. That means remainder will be 0. First option is right answer. Next question. (58). So again, statement 1 is given, question is given, what is the smallest one digit number having exactly 4 distinct factors? Statement 1, 2 is one of the factors. Statement 2, 3 is one of the factors. It is a small number. It is said, it is a smallest one digit number having exactly 4 distinct factors. It is starting from 1. 1 is only one factor, 2 is only one factor, 3 is only, that is 2 factors, 1 and 3, 2 are being 1 and 2, 1, 2, 4, and 5 is coming 1 and 5, 6 is coming 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 is coming 1 and 7, 8 is coming 1, 2, 4 and 8, 9 is coming 1, 3, 9. It is one digit number. So obviously from this 8 and 6 is satisfied. The option is 8 and 6. Question is given which the following is correct in respect to the above questions and statements. So that means the question can be answered by using one of the statements alone. Not required. The questions can be answered. Right option is given. The questions can be answered even without using any of the statements. Option D. Because these two numbers is clear without using these two statements. So that means option is coming D. Next question. 59. A question is given followed by two statements again. P, Q, R's, S be distinct non-zero digits. PP into PQ equal to RSS. Again. Equal to RSS, where P is less than or equal to 3 and Q is less than or equal to 4. Then what is the value of Q? R equal to 1, S equal to 2. So if R is 1, S is 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, and this is product of PP and PQ. Factorize this, 11 into 102. So what the two numbers PP and PQ? So that this will be, is multiplication will be 1122. So two numbers 33 into, factorize this, this will be 3 into 34. So first number 11 into 3, 33, and then is coming 34. So these are two numbers satisfied. So 33 into 34, that is 1122. That means both statements are required. Otherwise many options are there. So both required, statement 1 and statement 2 both required in this case. The questions can be answered by using either, not either, by one, not that. The questions can be answered using both the statements together. Option C is the right answer. Next questions. The 5-digit number PQRST, all distinct digits, 2 is such that T is not equal to 0. T is not equal to 0, P is thrice T, S is greater than Q by 4, while Q is greater than R by 3. How many such 5-digit numbers are possible is there? Right. Again, derivative question this is. So let's have derivative of this. So 5-digit numbers is given PQRST. All are distinct given. 2 is such that distinct digits, what is 2? 68. All distinct digits is such that, this is not, is such that T is not equal to 0, P is thrice the T, P is thrice the T. So that means if T is 1, P will be 3, P is 2, this will be 6, P is 3, this will be 9. So 3 possibilities are there for P and T value. P is thrice of T. S is greater than Q by 4. This is difference is coming 4. That means which one greater? S is greater than Q by 4. That means if this is 1, this is that is 5. So this will be 1. This is 6. This will be 2. This will be 7. This will be 3, and this will be 8, this will be 5, this is 8, this will be 4, and this will be 9, and this will be 5. These are possibilities there. And while Q is greater than R by 3, Q is greater than R by 3. If this is greater than by 3, so possibilities is coming what? Q is greater. If this is 3, this will be, if this is 3, so this will be, this will be 4, this will be 1, then these three pairs not possible. So again, if it is 4, it is, difference is 3, R by 3, this 5, this will be 2, right. So consider these possibilities, what the numbers are possible. So these are the possibility cases. Suppose take 3, P is 3, so 3, 5, 2, 9, 1. All distinct numbers, right? Possibility is there. Again 3 with 4, 1, 8, 1. Not possible because 1 doubling is there. That's why only 3, 5 to possible. Again come to 6. 6, 4, 1, 8. Corresponding 6 is 2. Right? This possibility is there. Again 6, 5, 2, 9, 2. Not possible because 2 doubling. Again 9, 9, 4, 1, 8, 3. Again this satisfied. Second case 9, 4, 9, 5, 2, 9, 3. 9, 5, 2, 9, 3. Not possible because 9 doubling is there. That's why option is first, second, third. 3 numbers are possible. That's why option is A. 68. Next number. X can complete a 1/3 of a certain work in 6 days. If X can 1/3 work in 6 days, whole work can be completed in 18 days. Right. Y can complete 1/3 of the same work 8 days, that means 24 days. And Z can complete 3/4 of the same work 12 days, that means 12 into 4 by 3, 16 days. Take LCM. The LCM is 144, I think. Right, 144. The efficiency of A is 8, 6, 16, 9. Come to question. So all of them work together for n days and then Z quit and Y alone finish. Z quit, not Z. Question is Z, all of them work together for n days and then X and Z quit. X and Z quit and Y alone finish the remaining work in 8 over 8 by 10. What is the n equal to? So all work for n days. So what is the sum of this? Every day every person will do 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 8, 23. Suppose 23 work per day doing n days. That means this work is over. Plus X and Z quit and Y 6 days for 6 work per days and complete the work means 6 into, make it mix 8 whole 8 by 2. Not 8 whole 8 by 2. Answer is 8 whole 2 by 3. 8 whole 2 by 3. That giving 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 32 by 3 days. So 6 into 32 by 3 days. That work is completed and work is 144. So after a solution of this becomes 3 2s are. So 23n equal to 144 minus 64. That becomes 0, 80, 26 by 3. 8 whole 2 by 3. This fraction is wrong. 8 whole 2 by 3. That become 8 3 are 24 plus 2, 26 by 3. Make it 26 by 3. So that become 26 into 2, 52. 52. So 52 means that become 4 minus 2 is 2 and 14 minus 5 is 9. So n become 4. That's why answer is coming 4. Next question. What is X in the sequence? Reasoning question is, I think. Skip this. A set of X of 20 pipes can fill 70% of a tank in 14 minutes. X of 20 pipes can fill 70% of tank in 14 minutes means whole tank 14 into 10 by 7, 20 minutes. And Y, a set of 10 pipes fills 3/8 of the tank in 6 minutes. So whole tank 8 by 3, 16 minutes. And Z, a set of 16 pipes can fill half of the tank. It is empty half of the tank in 20 minutes. So full tank 20 into 2, 40 minutes. If half of the pipes, take the LCM 20, 16 and 40. LCM is 16 into 5, 80. Take 80, right? The efficiency of this will be 4. Efficiency of Y is 5. Efficiency of Z is -2. The question is given, that is, if half of the pipes of set X are closed, half closed, that means half is open. So how many liters water will go? 2 liters. Similarly, and half of the pipes set Y also open. Half of Y open, that means it will fill up 2.5 liters. And all pipes of Z is open, that means -2 liters. So how much it will flow? That is 2.5 liters. The question is 2.5 liters. The question is, how long will take 50% of tank to fill up? 50 means 40 liters. So 40 liters by 2.5, 400 by 25, 16 minutes. So option 16 minutes, option D. Right. Next question. If n is a natural number, then what is the value of distinct remainders of 1 to the power n plus 2 to the power n when divided by 4. If n is a natural number, then what is the number of distinct reminders of 1 to the power n plus 2 to the power n when divided by 4? So 1 to the power n plus 2 to the power n when divided by 4. Take n is 1, so 3 by 4, remainder will be 3. Take 1 equal to 2, so 1 plus 2 square, that means 5 by 4, so remainder will be 1. Take n equal to 3, 1 plus 8 by 4, 9 by 4, remainder 1. Every case 1 will be there, only 3 is separate. The answer is coming 2 reminders, 1 and 2. The option is second option C. Next question. Let P equal to Q be 3-digit numbers, that is HCF of P and 481 will be what? And P is given 3-digit numbers. So any 3-digit number possibility is there because P is given. So let P equal to 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, like this, 888 and 99. 9 possibility cases are there and factorize 481. So that will be prime numbers 37 into. So 37 is a prime number, 13 also prime number. Question is, what is the HCF of P and 481? If this is the P and 13 is dividing 111, right? 13 is a factor of 111. But 37 also dividing because 37 into 3. This is also 13 into not dividing, 13 not dividing this. That means 37 only option is there. So 1, every cases see 37 is a factor. This is 37 into 6. This is 37 into 9. This is 37 into 12. I think 37 is factor in all. That's why HCF is coming 37. Next number. What is the 489th digit in the numbers? Written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. First find unit digit numbers. Unit digit number, that is 9. 2 digit numbers, that is 9 into, that is 90 into 2, 90 into 2, 180. So total number of digits become 189. Subtract करो तो 489 minus 189. The remaining digits are 300. Starting all 3-digit numbers, starting from 100, 101, 102. So like this. Last number will be what? 100 plus 300 minus 1. So that is coming. We required how much? 300 digits. So convert to digits. 300 by 3. That become 100 digits. So 100 number find out. This become the number. So by dividing by 3 this becomes number. So 100 numbers from 100. So 100 plus 100 minus 1. So 200 minus 1. That become 189. So last number is 189. Last digit is 9. That's option is D. Last number is 189. So last digit is 9. So this is the answers. Next question. So these are the questions. So thank you all of you.